Well, hello YouTube viewers. I just hit a little bird, which you can kind of see right down in there. It's kind of hard to see, but I'll kind of show you. I hit it twice with my pellet gun, and it's still alive. You'll kind of see it. I'm hoping to spook it out. The ground's kind of frozen, so... Well, there's its tail feather. Well, there you go, YouTube viewers. Looks like I hit him right behind this wing here. That was my first shot. Then I got a second shot off and I hit him right behind that wing. As you can see, it's kind of like, it's right here is where I hit him. Right there is where I hit him for my second shot. And again, I kind of apologize for picture quality because I'm using my iPhone and it's not the best. Bye.